In this video, we are going to see how we can send any PDF file from WhatsApp to an email directly. So this is pretty quick and easy. So let me show you how it is done. So first of all, let's attach a PDF file. I have created a sample group. I'll just click on this pin icon right at the bottom. Just go to the documents and I'll just browse any document. Here we can search for documents and here is the PDF file, for example this one. And let's share it on the chat. So let's say that we have this one PDF in the chat, and after that just a long press to hold it, and from the top you can get this forward option, and you can also get this forward option right here. But this one is only used to forward it to the chats. But just hold it and you can click on this three dots after that and click on share. Let's say we have received this PDF and now we want to share this on a specific email. So let's search for email. In my case, it's Gmail. So let me just share it to myself. Document from Saad, hit enter. And that's pretty much it. That's all we need to do. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn more amazing stuff on our channel, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.